Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to do a Petit, and this is how it looks like. That's before cooked, and let's show you the recipe. 1.5 cup of butter, 2 egg yolks, of course vanilla, and we need 1 cup of sugar, 2 cup of flours. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna melt the butter a little bit, not hard. We want it a little bit melted, and then we're gonna put the sugar, the cup of sugar, and we mix it very well. And then we put the 2 egg yolks and some vanilla, and then we mix it. And after that, we put the 2 cup of flours, and this is how it's gonna look like. And we divide the dough to 2 parts. One part we'll leave it like that. The other part we can put some cocoa powder, so we can make that chocolate cookies or Petit. I have this. I don't know what you call it, funnel. I have this for a long time, and this is how I made the shapes like this. You can make it round or you can make it long. Let me show you how. Let me put that here so I can show you how I do it. You take this and basically you're gonna push down like that. So you can form that. It is hard to do it while I'm holding the camera, so let me just take that far away and do it again, so I can show you how you do a long one. You just go like this and you stop, and the round one you do it this way. That's what it is, and it's so easy. Let me just clean my hand so I can hold the camera again. So this is how I did it. Now you put that, you do half of the pan white, half chocolate. So when you put it in the oven, you know when it's cooked. Because if you do all of it chocolate, you're not going to know if it's cooked, and sometimes it burned from underneath. So all the pans that I did, like you see here, half chocolate and half white. And then when it cooks, leave it in the oven, 350 degrees, and wait there for like 5, maximum 10 minutes, depends about your oven temperature. And then when it comes out of the oven, it's gonna look like this. Just right here. It's gonna look like this. This considered burned, so don't leave it to be cooked like this, because that is considered burned, and it has to be like this one, like that. Also the chocolate, also this is a good one. Other than that will be burned, so don't leave it burned like that. In another video, I'm going to show you how to put them together, and you not glue them together, but like we're gonna show you in a separate video. You're gonna put them together like this with honey or jam and some chocolate on top. Come back and watch the second video, and you will enjoy it. It tastes wonderful, very easy to make. And I hope you enjoy the video. If you tried it, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you. Have a wonderful day. See you soon.